Molly my bean, 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 Molly my bean.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Naguaxity here, bringing back another video. We're back on the channel finally after a long time. I know I haven't been posting like that. We're currently in Panda right now. If you haven't noticed, I haven't been posting that many videos because I'm currently working a lot, but I mainly been focusing now on the whip, Panda 2.0 T on Instagram. If you haven't seen it, this is it. This is a 2022 Accord Sport 2.0. So yeah, I just want to start making videos on the car, and how it goes with the build and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I got for the interior. I had the lights, they kind of fell off. They used to be up here, but they fell off, so I gotta refix them. So it's over there on the floor too. The only ones that stayed were the ones that were back here. These look pretty good at night. We got the sunroof here. I wanted a car with a sunroof. That was one of the main things. And then I just bought this thing with the red stitching. I'm gonna be adding a lot more stuff. This is a lease, so I didn't want to do a lot of the stuff because I wasn't sure if we were keeping the car or not. But recently I saw how the new Accord looks, and we're definitely keeping this one for sure. Unless that later on I decide to maybe get a Civic, the Type R. You feel me? But yeah, I don't like that new Accord at all. I don't like how it looks. It's not that fast. I wanted a 2.0 because of how fast it is and because the way it looks. So I'm gonna show you guys the outside. I know it's a little bit dirty right now, but hope you guys don't mind it too much. So this is the outside. It was under the tree, so it's kind of dirty. So some of the other stuff that we did to it, I put an overlay right here for the lights. So if you guys see it, you can see that it's like a hex thing that it changes colors. Purple fog lights. It was supposed to be purple, but it came out looking more pinkish. And then we did the chrome delete to the grill right here. That used to be chrome. With the chrome delete. This we did the we blacked it out because it used to be chrome too, so we blacked it out. The only thing that I didn't get to do was this part of the grill that I still had to do. Then what else we did? Well, we about to lower it today. That's gonna be for another video. I got this on it for the door handles. Got that. Then for the lights, we smoked the tail lights, but we only did it around around this part because I wanted this to be red. So we only did around the edges. So y'all can see it's darker on the edges. This we also blacked out. This we blacked out. And the Accord we also blacked out. But yeah, other than that, we haven't been doing too much to it. Because like I said, I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it or not. The way that I also got it came with the black accent, so I already had that. It came with this, and it came with the black mirrors, so it came with that. So the package was for the black accents. But yeah, I'm excited because I'm about to do a lot of stuff to it. One thing that I regret for anybody that's getting new cars, make sure you guys get your car like ceramic coated or something to protect the paint. Because I had it for now a year. I got it last year in February 2022. And like, I get little things like this from like the rocks that be on the highway and stuff. Like little chips like that. So like that's kind of annoying because it wasn't from my part, but it happens. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna be uploading more, especially when we do stuff to the car. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is that we're gonna lower the car. So yeah, peace.
Man, I'm so icy, feel like Jeezy. Living like this ain't motherfucking rocks off the motherfucking keys and pictures on my cock, they so motherfucking feeling. Rock style, lifestyle, might not make it. Feeling like Plaza, I'm finna hella wasted. Offering your soul for the fame, you'll take it. Walk up in this hole like gang, no face shit.